Are you ready to create a professional business card that's modern, sleek, and tech savvy? Today, I'll show you how to design a business card with a QR code in Canva, and trust me, it's easier than you think. First, head over to Canva and either choose a business card template or start with a blank canvas. Pick colors, fonts, and layouts that reflect your brand or personality. Add your essential contact details, name, phone number, email, and any other info you want to share. Keep it clean and readable. A cluttered card is a card nobody wants to keep. Now comes the exciting part, adding a QR code. Go to the Apps section in Canva and search for the QR code generator. Enter the URL you want people to visit. This could be your website, portfolio, LinkedIn, or even a special offer page, and generate the code. Once it appears, drag it onto your card. Make sure it's large enough to scan easily, but still fits harmoniously with your design. Take a moment to double check everything. The text should be legible, colors balanced, and the QR code fully functional. When you're happy with your design, hit download and choose a print-ready format, like PDF, to make sure your card looks perfect in real life. And just like that, you have a stunning business card that's not only visually appealing, but also interactive. Using a QR code adds a tech-friendly touch that makes networking effortless. Give it a try and watch how this small addition can make a big difference in how people connect with you.